Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you fast and easy trick how to get the gold in Heartopia without grinding or doing quests. This is something you should not miss. So the Easter event is almost over and the revival hymn like this. Revival hymn exchange store will be closing soon at March 30, the end of this month. So if you still have the leftover bunny pom poms, this one, spirit bunny pom poms, now it's the perfect time to use them. Instead of letting them go to waste, you can just convert them directly into gold, which is a universal currency that you can use to buy various items in this game. So here's how to do it. First, just go to the globe icon, this one, tap on it, and then just go to the revival hymn. And then next, just go tap on go redeem, this one, and then scroll down and then just choose this gold, and in here you can see it, 1 bunny pom poms equal to 10 gold. So if you have 100 bunny pom poms, you will get 1000 gold, which is honestly a really great deal for something that doesn't require any grinding at all. Like for example, in here I have 700 bunny pom poms, so in here I will get 1000 gold instantly, like this, and then I will go tap on purchase, and just like that you can see I got the 1000 gold instantly. So the more bunny pom poms that you have, the more gold that you can get. So make sure you don't miss this before the event ends. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.